there's over 100 people in this room. And there are probably another 100 people at least outside this room who are involved in our programme in one way or the other, either in delivering projects or having their healthcare or their working environments improved by what we do.
I've experienced a real sense of commitment, enthusiasm and very high level of energy for the Pacesetters program here, and I'm being very excited by what I've seen and learned from all of you.
I think it's been really good, really informative. Nice to know what other groups are doing and how they're getting on.
I think it's been a very inspiring day today. Set off in a very inspiring way with Leon's presentation, and so far the workshop seems to have supported that.
It's been brilliant for me because I actually did get a job. It's not through the Pacesetter program. I'm working for the job centre at the moment because they gave me enough confidence, the Pacesetters did, and the work placement I did gave me enough confidence to actually apply for another job and get it.
Speaking to the Gypsies community, families, and understanding their experience, as an African man, I could identify myself to their endeavours, their worries, their also strengths and opportunities, and how they're looking at the Pacesetters' opportunity to get involved and get more understanding on both sides.
It all knits together into a fantastic tapestry, and what Farhat was saying about having all these projects running simultaneously, the energy, the buzz is just, well, it's just brilliant, isn't it?